Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell Canva designs on Creative Market. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Creative Market, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Creative Market is an online marketplace where designers, creators like you can buy and sell digital assets for creative projects. So it's especially popular among graphic designers, web developers, and content creators who need high quality design elements without having to create everything from scratch. So right here you can find some graphics, icons, illustrations, patterns, fonts, templates, photos, etc. that you can buy and use for your graphic designs. And that's it. So now, how to sell Canva designs right here on Creative Market. So first you need to have an account, and after creating an account you need to open a shop. So right here on the Creative Market homepage, you just need to click this one, open a shop, and you'll be redirected to this one, turn your creative passion into opportunity. So click open a shop and you'll be redirected to this page where you can apply for a shop owner application. So to maintain quality within the marketplace, they limit the seller community to the most qualified creators. So make sure that when you applying for a shop on Creative Market, make sure that you are qualified. So if you want to find how to qualify as a shop owner on Creative Market, you just need to click this link right here. So they will show you this window. You need to have uniqueness. You need to have quality on your designs. You need to have a portfolio. And for usefulness, your products would help customers complete their design projects, client work, or end products for sale. So make sure that you have all of that. Well, as you can see, they mainly ask for this information right here: your first name, last name, the category of products that you mainly sell, whether it's graphics, templates or themes, brushes or photos, etc. So let's say graphics, so that we can use Canva graphics design for selling. And right here, share a URL where we can view your work. So this is where you put your Canva URL. Later in the video, we will create a Canva design and we will put its URL right here. So do you already sell digital assets online? So it's up to you whether you say yes or no. So let's say yes. And if you click yes, this window will appear. On which sites do you sell digital assets? So if you click if you click on site, there's a bunch of sites that you can use. They use Shutterstock, Gumroad, Phonespring, Etsy, etc., and Vato. And if you want to skip this, you just click no. And we will paste the URL of our Canva design right here. So now let's go to Canva. So as you can see, Canva is a multimedia content creating platform where you can, create multimedia contents. So it's either a poster, resume, email, logo, flyer, brochure, menu, documents, Instagram post, etc., etc., video, mobile video, wedding invitation, all of multimedia contents that you can create right here. And the most important is they offer templates on each categories so that it will you can lessen your hassle on creating on a blank page. You can just use a template, modify it, and sell it on another platform. And for example, I'm going to share this one mood board right here. So I'm going to click customize this template, and I'll be redirected to the Canva editing page right here. This is actually an infographics templates provided by Canva. So make sure that you make some major changes. Make sure that this template is unique to yourself, because if you literally just copy this template right here and directly upload it on Creative Market, you will get you'll get banned on each platform. You'll get banned on both platforms. So make sure that you make some major change the color of this tab right here, change the color of this tab right here, the shapes and the pictures. You need to change the pictures, and the elements, the overall elements, you need to make some changes. So make sure that it will not look like this one. A template is just a way for you to lessen your hassle on creating on a blank page. So right here you already have some elements to work with, so you just need to make some changes on them, and you're good to go. So after making some changes, you just need to click this one, copy link one, and right here on the access level you need to change from only you can access to anyone with the link, and anyone in the link can view. So make sure, and after that just click copy link and you're good to go. You just need to paste your link right here, and I confirm that I have permission to submit this work. So when we talk about permission, it means that you already make this templates unique to yourself. You have a permission to sell it yourself because this is already your work. And that's it. So after pasting your URL, just click next, and this one will appear. Which option best describe your motivation for selling products on creative market? You can fill this information too, and click this one. I have read and agree to the shop terms of service. Make sure that you read also the shop terms and service, and after that submit an application. And after that, the creative market will send an email to your Gmail account connected to your creative account. For example, right here, I'm on Gmail and this email will appear, and you just need to click yes, this was me. And that's it. So as you can see, this device has been authorized, and you just need to wait until your application is reviewed. After it's done being reviewed, if it qualifies, you already is a shop owner and you can sell a bunch of Canva designs. And that's it. That's how to sell Canva designs on Creative Market. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.